नाम फातिमा है। हम 2 साल से काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। और लोग बोलते थे कि मतलब कंपनी में जाओगी काम करने के लिए, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है, बेइज्जत होगा।
Fatima and her husband are among the thousands of Indian workers who hand out carpets for IKEA.
यहाँ काम करने में हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है। टाइम से अपन काम करके टाइम से अपने घर पे हो जाते हैं। जितना पहले करते थे उससे डबल अब कमाई हो गया है। टीवी खरीदे थे, कूलर खरीदे थे और ये एक फर्राटा पंखा है।
But getting weavers like Fatima to work in this factory hasn't been easy. When IKEA worked with a local partner to open a factory here in Bhadoi, a district in northern India, nearly all of the rugs in the area were made in private homes, often by children, and women weren't allowed to work in factories.
Especially with women, we had a big challenge because women had never worked outside their homes. It was never done for centuries. I had to go myself to speak to some of the parents.
Recruiting workers wasn't the only challenge.
So we had to teach them, this is your eating area, don't spit everywhere. This is how you use the washroom. The basic things, which I had never thought I would have to teach people working in a factory.
India is one of the last untapped frontiers for international retailers, and IKEA wants to expand its reach by opening stores for the country's middle-class shoppers. But under Indian law, a third of a foreign retailer's store merchandise has to be made in India as well. Companies are given just 5 years from their first store opening to comply. Many retailers say the rule is so tough that it's holding back expansion in India. And for IKEA, meeting its own strict manufacturing and labor standards raises the bar even higher.
Well, we were ridiculed. Our peers in the industry, they were making fun of us initially. And everybody was sure it's going to fail. These people will never work in a factory in that time frame and regimented environment.
For decades, little has changed about the Indian carpet industry. Child labor is rampant, wages aren't guaranteed, and work conditions are poor.
बिनने वाला काम तो कम से कम 15 साल से करत हो। हमारे 8 बच्चे हैं, तो बच्चे के देखे घरे के रहे देखे ना है नहीं, सब छोटा बड़ा के सबके देखभाल करे। कहा थे कि नहीं तू सब कंपनी नहीं काम करे का, हम कंपनी जाते ना, तू लोग घरे 10 रुपया का होए 10 करत जा।
Today, IKEA sells rugs like these for hundreds of dollars across the globe. But to meet India's local sourcing rule and to open its own stores here, the retailer will have to build many more such factories. IKEA says it's racing against time. It needs to convince thousands of workers like Fatima to come work for them.
पहले नहीं पैसा था, तब 2 लड़की नहीं पढ़े, 3 लड़की। अब जब यहाँ पे काम करने लगे तो पैसा बचने लगा, तो हम कहा भाई पढ़ना भी जरूरी है लड़का का। तो कहे कि अम्मी हमारा नाम लिखा दो, तो हम कहा भाई लिखा लो, पैसा है पढ़ो।